हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते। मैं हूं करुणा, एक्सॉन टॉक शो पे पावर्ड बाय एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी और नए सेटअप हमारे 11 डेसिबल्स में। एंड आज मैं एक अनोखी, स्वीट, प्यारी, मीठी सी स्टोरी लेकर आई हूं। अब मीठा सुनते ही सबको मन कर रहा होगा ना कि मीठा मतलब क्या है, ये जानना होगा, राइट? सो मैं आपको एक ऐसे हस्ती से मिलाने वाली हूँ जो आपकी लाइफ में मिठास लाती है, और उनकी जर्नी और उनकी लाइफ की जो स्टोरी है वो काफी इंस्पायरिंग है। उनके लिए नहीं, सबके लिए, और बहुत सारी महिलाओं के लिए उन्होंने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया है, एक ऐसी इंस्पिरेशन क्रिएट की है खुद से, कि काफी महिलाओं को आज एक जरिया मिला है कैसे अपनी लाइफ में मिठास बनाए और दूसरे की लाइफ में भी मिठास लाए। तो ये मीठा मीठा ज्यादा हो गया, राइट? बट मैं आपको अब स्वीट स्वीट सी नीता जी से मिलाऊंगी, और लेट्स गेट रेडी टू मीट हर। हाय नीता।
हाय करुणा।
सो वेलकम टू एक्सॉन टॉक शो पावर्ड बाय एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी। और आप कैसे हो आज?
I'm doing great, thank you. And hello everyone. I'm Neeta Acharya, founder of Artu Cakes and Bakes, an entrepreneur, home baker, and home chef.
होम शेफ। सो ये होम शेफ बहुत ही आपने एम्फसाइज किया है। सो थोड़ा सा बताइए, होम शेफ और नीता कैसे कनेक्टेड है?
I think it's a very interesting story that I would like to share. I mean, by profession, I'm an HR. I've done my MBA in HR, and I have over 17 years of experience in HR, and I worked for companies like Deloitte in HR. But this all started in COVID, at the time of COVID, when I had to leave the job for my kids, and I had to take a back step in my career, where I baking and food was always my passion. And that's the moment when I thought, let's convert my passion into profession, because I'm someone who will not sit at home. And I thought, chalo, I mean, this is the kids are priority of now, but I would also want to give work my priority, and I converted my passion into profession now. So R2 Cakes and Bakes is 5-year-old venture, and so since baking and cooking was my passion, is still a passion. I am a person who will never sit back at home, or come what may, whatever
Obviously,
happens.
आप इतने 10 साल से काम कर तो आदत पड़ जाती
Yeah,
है।
and you're so used to work, so I said, okay, let's make my kitchen my from boardroom to my baking tray. And so that's how been my journey. And I converted my passion into profession, and the journey is still on. It's been 5 years for our two venture, and
Wow.
we are now we've almost catered more than 2,000 clients pan India, and
Super.
internationally also we have clients, and our products are worldwide appreciated. We have almost catered more than 200 clients.
Wow.
The feedbacks that we've received from 200 plus clients, and my products are internationally recognized in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and many more countries.
So you said आपकी जर्नी 5 साल से बेकिंग में है। उसके पहले you were into a corporate boardroom, to kitchen, to ovens and microwaves. So this journey is just 5 years, but आपने already international clients को cater किया है. You said you have so many good reviews. तो ऐसी क्या खास है आपके प्रोडक्ट में?
I think what the feedback that I get from client, it is made, I mean, the quality is good, obviously, and whatever, it's a passion. So passion is basically what you make with pure love.
Absolutely.
And the quality, I mean, there's a lot of competition in the market, but what you make and what you like, it's all coming up in your products. So I think that's the USP of my products. And we have now expanded into soaps and candles also. So that's another part of my venture.
So that's why you said maybe 2 ventures. So
two ventures, yeah. R2 Bliss is for my soaps and candles, and R2 Bakes is for my
वेरी नाइस। सो आपने जैसे कहा कि यू वर इनटू कॉर्पोरेट, देन कोविड, ऑब्वियसली कोविड में काफी सारे घर पे बैठे बैठे लोग शेफ बन चुके थे। तो कोविड में काफी एंटरप्रेन्योर बन गए, काफी शेफ्स आ गए। आपने कहा कि आपका जर्नी कोविड के बाद, एंड ऑब्वियसली मदरहुड चेंजेस एवरीथिंग, बट आई थिंक मदरहुड एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एक स्ट्रेंथ भी देती है कि आप ज्यादा लाइफ में कुछ और अच्छा कर सको। तो योर मदरहुड हैज पेड यू इन अ वेरी आई से ब्यूटीफुल वे। तो आपको ये मैनेज करना घर से, ऑब्वियसली घर से भी काम करना, लोगों की एक क्या होता है कि घर से में आराम. So do you think it is easy to work from home and take care of all the responsibility?
it's a challenging task. I'll tell you honestly, you know, when I started this, my daughter was just 6 months old, my son was 2.5 year old. And I hope you know that in COVID, no maids, no
Nothing.
support, everything was so tied up. It was difficult, but when you have certain people in your life who really motivate you, and I would really like to thank one of my very dear friend. She stays in my own building,
Acha, okay.
and she was the one to give me my first order
Wow.
in COVID. And I would like to take her name. Her name is Raji,
Okay.
and she is the one who actually believed me at the time where others were like, करे नहीं करे,
करे
but she
नहीं
said,
करे.
okay, you are making, it's okay, you just take my order. And that's how it started.
Superb.
And till now I am, I cater to her requirements. But I think it started there. So some people who trust you, and obviously your family also. My kids have been my biggest support. They know my mother, the
Obviously.
mummy works from home, and I'm there for them. But
Right.
that's how my husband is a very big pillar for me. He is my strength, and he has never actually stopped me
Wow.
from doing anything. So I think my kids, my husband have really played a very vital role in my the entire
Career.
the credit goes to them where I am today.
एब्सोल्युटली फैमिली सपोर्ट के बिना तो आई थिंक कोई भी कुछ करने के लिए वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो आपने जैसे अपना करियर कॉर्पोरेट से आप अभी एक होम शेफ हो, आपके इस 5 साल की जर्नी में ऐसा कुछ हुआ है जिससे आपको लगता है दिस इज लाइक अचीवमेंट, बहुत बड़ी चीज.
Oh, I think there are many such incidents. I mean, I think जो मैं corporate में नहीं कर पाई, I always dreamt of, I've seen people on television or, I the work. I have actually got opportunity to work with many of the celebrity chefs,
Wow.
master chefs. Also, I've met them. I've done some kind of good work with them. I had participated in one of my first recipe contest was when I took my both the kids in the contest, and one of the renowned celebrity chef was there. Oh, you're carrying your kids along with you, and he could see that I had made an entire thali for him there.
Wow.
And he was like, you made so many things, and he was really amazed. He was really amazed with my daughter in my arm and my son beside me, and I'm portraying. And luckily I won the contest. I was the third
Superb.
runner up in that contest, and it was a very 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 memorable moment to receive the award from the celebrity chef.
Awesome, wow. So आपकी जर्नी भले ही 5 साल की, बट आपने अचीव और इतना कुछ किया है. एंड द मोमेंट यू सेड कि कैरिंग योर चिल्ड्रन एंड डूइंग दिस, सो आई थिंक ये बहुत सारी औरतों के लिए एक इंस्पायरिंग चीज है, क्योंकि हम है ना बच्चों को लेके अपने आप को काफी चीजों से रोकते हैं.
Correct, absolutely.
एंड वी ऑलवेज फील के आई बिलीव एंड आई ऑलवेज से दिस लाइक अ टैगलाइन फॉर ऑफ मी के डोंट मेक योर चिल्ड्रन एन ऑब्स्टेकल, मेक देम अ पार्ट
Yeah.
ऑफ योर जर्नी. एंड आई थिंक यू आर अ ट्रू एग्जांपल ऑफ माय टैगलाइन.
Yeah, because I was like, Abhi, and that time my husband was traveling. That when I went for the contest, and the whole night I was preparing for what was the contest requirement for that recipe, and I said, okay, I am not going to hold back, and
Wow.
I am not going to say no, and I'm not going to give up. Come what may takes, I want to take my daughter, my son along. And the chefs over there was so supportive, and they said, we will hold your child, and you demo it, and you give it,
Wow.
and it was so well appreciated. I'm so I thank you to the Almighty. It paid it all, and
How
I
sweet.
got the prize for that. And I some of the chef. Then I became part of one of the very good chef circle, and I'm still working with them.
सुपर. सो नीता, आपने खुद ही कहा कि शेफ या फिर बेकिंग में आजकल बहुत कंपटीशन है. एंड आई कैन सी जैसे कोविड बहुत सारे शेफ बन गए, बहुत सारे कंपटीशन इतना हाई लेवल पे. तो ऐसा क्या है आपको लगता है कि अगर इफ एनी वुमेन वांट टू डू समथिंग इनटू एनी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, नॉट ओनली बेकिंग, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आपको लगता है कि आप उनको बोल सकते हो कि इस चीज को इस तरीके से करो या आगे बढ़ो?
See, I think many women set back where I know ki, we have family, we are stuck, we have kids and all. Okay, you can't go to work. There are certain circumstances, fine, but try to find out your passion. Try to learn certain skills. Try to work from home. There are many options that are available if you want to do and if you have the will to do.
So it's all about passion.
Yeah, it's all about passion. And even if you don't have something, you're not able to understand what you want to do, learn certain skills that you like.
Absolutely.
And then start something on that. I think one of the very fantastic thing which I like about your course, that's the AI course that as a coach that you take is very very interesting. I mean, it's very, and I would recommend all the ladies. AI is today's need, and all should definitely learn.
Thank you so much, Neeta. By the way, ये कोई भी promotion नहीं था.
ये प्रमोशन नहीं
But
था,
yes,
ये मैंने
she
खुद
has
बोला है.
been,
सी
yeah.
दैट बोलूं क्या, ये
Yeah,
चलेगा, नहीं तो आप कट कर दो, जो भी आपको ठीक लगे. मुझे लगा बोलना चाहिए, मैंने
No,
बोल
but,
दिया.
but yes, I am teaching AI to women and making them, giving them an opportunity to learn AI, get that skill, and learn to earn from home by Coach Karuna is the concept. So Neeta is a part of it, and thank you so much, Neeta, mentioning. मैं खुद ही आज तक बोल नहीं पाई हूँ talk show पे.
नहीं, because see, if it comes from the participant, it's better, no? Or the
Yes,
attendance who are better.
absolutely. So it really, thank you so much Neeta for this. And yes, जैसे नीता ने कहा कि आपको अगर पता नहीं है कि आपका क्या स्किल है, आप में पैशन क्या है, ऑब्वियसली हम महिलाओं के लिए ये बहुत होता है कि हम इतना कुछ करते हैं ना कि हम एक तो
Correct.
सुपर वुमेन वाला टाइटल मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, क्योंकि ना वो एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत हाई
High
कर
हो
देता है.
जाती है.
हमसे बहुत कुछ उम्मीदें जुड़ जाती है कि हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. यस, नो डाउट हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं इन सारी सब कुछ में ना हम अपना पैशन भूल जाते हैं. हम
Passion
ये
हो
भूल
जाता
जाते हैं
है.
हमें हमारी स्किल क्या है. सो जैसे नीता ने कहा कि यू नीड टू लर्न स्किल्स. यस, डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू लर्न स्किल, बट ये कोर समझना एक मुश्किल. जैसे आप कॉर्पोरेट में दे HR, आई एम फ्रॉम HR बैकग्राउंड, आई अंडरस्टैंड HR जो पीपल मैनेजमेंट स्किल होती है, वहां से कमिंग टू अ किचन, वो समझ कैसे आया आपको कि यहीं पर है मेरा पैशन अब?
See, at the early age when my mother was working, my mother was always, working. And at the age of when I was in fifth standard, I think to support her that time there was no support. So that inherent, it was an kind of like that I had for food, because we are three siblings, my elder brother, me, and my younger sister. So obviously, I being the middle,
Yes.
the child, I had to kind of take that responsibility. तो वहाँ से जो शुरू हो गई, while I was working, I also was cooking. I mean, the baking was there, but it was not visible.
Visible.
In the COVID era, it became more visible.
More
And
visible.
I thought, rather than working for someone, why don't I work for myself?
Super, very nice. So what do you feel कि आपकी जर्नी जो भी इतनी 5 साल की जर्नी, उसकी पहले की जर्नी थी, डिड यू फील दैट कि आपका जो कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस जो रहा है किसी भी
Absolutely.
तरीके से यहाँ पर आपको यूज
Absolutely,
हुआ है?
Karuna, it goes hand in hand. The kind of leaders that I've worked in, the companies that I've worked, and the kind of experience skills I have in my profession. Obviously, that all those skills and all those experience are into my own venture now. So the kind of growth that we have, kind of seen from where we were and where we are now, is because of that what I have worked for all these years.
वेरी नाइस. सो इफ एनीवन अभी हमारी, जैसे मुझे पता है कि हमारा टॉक शो ज्यादा से ज्यादा महिलाएं देखती है, बिकॉज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नारियों के लिए बना है. तो अगर मैं आपको पूछूं नीता, ऐसा क्या है जो हमारी ऑडियंस में से अगर बहुत सारे जो अभी भी कंफ्यूज है या सोच रहे हैं वो एक स्टेप लेने, व्हाट वुड यू सजेस्ट टू देम?
I think don't stop dreaming. If you have a dream, don't stop dreaming and believe in your dreams and just go ahead on what you believe in. I think I would like to share an incident. I had gone to a Gulf Food Festival last year and I met Arina Brandy. She is
Wow.
the world's renowned Michelin star chef.
Star
She while she was I met her there, and when I met her, I don't know, I could connect with her. I just had 10 minutes FaceTime with her, but just this line was said by her: Nita, don't stop dreaming. Believe in your dreams and just continue doing what you're doing. You're doing a great job. I got an opportunity to show her my work, in
Wow.
fact, to all the 25 Michelin star chefs, and she has invited me to her restaurant, Parisian Darbar,
Wow.
which is in Atlantis. So we're looking forward next when we go to Dubai, planning to meet, visit
And
her restaurant.
I'm sure that is not just a dream, it's going to be a reality soon. That's
Any of the women would like to reach out to me, and because we do a lot of business consulting also, I do business consulting sessions also for certain brands. तो अगर आपको interest है कि घर से आपको कोई specific brand कैसे चालू करना है, how to start not only in baking in other brands also, you can reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help you.
How sweet, that's really nice and that's going to help many women out there जो अभी यहाँ पर हम नीता और मुझे देख रहे हो, सोच रहे हो कि ये करना चाहिए, मुझे भी वो करना चाहिए, तो अब सोचो मत. यू कैन जस्ट टेक एक्शन, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद नीता, स्वीट भी खाने मिलेगा, आइडियाज भी मिलेगी, एंड यू गोना गेट लॉट ऑफ हेल्प. सो आई रियली लव्ड knowing about you, Neeta, not only about your business but your journey as a whole and how you are helping and inspiring so many women जो सिर्फ सोच नहीं रहे. I'm sure you're going to get many people connecting with you to ask you all these questions, and yes, I'm looking forward for a lot of comments एंड लॉट ऑफ फीडबैक फ्रॉम यू ऑल टू टेल मी कि आप लोग नीता से कनेक्ट करने वाले हो और किस लिए, मिठाई के लिए या आइडिया के लिए। आज का मेरा एपिसोड तो बहुत ही मजेदार हुआ है और बहुत ही स्वीट मिला है। थैंक्स टू नीता मुझे ये हैम्पर मिला हुआ है और आप भी हैम्पर का मजा ले सकते हो। आप नीता से कनेक्ट कीजिए ऐसी किसी स्वीट के लिए या फिर कोई राय लेनी हो आपको बिजनेस के लिए। एज शी मेंशन्ड शी इज अ कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। और ऐसी इंस्पायरिंग और मजेदार और बहुत सारी सीखने वाली जर्नीज और स्टोरीज में आप तक लेके आने वाली हो। Stay tuned for another episode of Exxon Talk Show powered by Extraordinary and with the new setup of 11 decibels. Here is your host Karuna. Love you all. Stay blessed.